This is what you would see for workers' compensation. This is exercise 8.8. Great Manufacturing received and paid their notice on January 2nd, and then it's estimated for the following until the end of the year. So we are told that we are given a rate, and this is in the textbook the same, we are given a risk factor rate for each employee, where manufacturing workers are the riskiest, and the office workers are the least risky, so they have the cheapest rate. And we estimate how much we're going to spend on our employees in each category. We're given a rate, we multiply it and get our estimated premium. So we are told that we need to pay the $61.76 for the year as an estimate, and you pay it in January for the whole year. And we're going to have some new accounts. So we have prepaid insurance, just like we had before, but this time it's workers' comp. To be short, workers' comp, or WC is fine with me. We're also going to have an insurance expense, also workers' comp. And then we always make our payments that we'll be using. We're going to be paying cash, or we'll have credits to our account. So in this case, the very first one, this is just like before. We are going to have a debit to prepaid insurance. What are we getting? We're getting insurance. I'm just going to put WC. I will take off if you don't put WC because we are using workers' comp. You can write it out or abbreviate it. And we're going to debit our whole policy for $61.76. And then we are going to credit cash because we're paying insurance at the beginning of the year based on what we are estimating our payroll to be, and their given rate is $61.76. So this is very unlikely that it would ever be exact because we are going to have more or less payroll. It's never possible that we have everybody. Even in a system where we have employees that are on salary and you know exactly how many, like a school and a budget, an employee might resign and we might not fill them, or you might have to hire somebody else for whatever reason. So this is an estimate. So now we get down to this section, and it's the end of the year, and we have to record the adjusting entry for the expired insurance just like we did before. And then typically there's more added on, but if there was less, we could get a refund. So we actually had this amount of salaries. We had 1,000 more here, 1,000 more here, 3,000 more here. The rate does not change because that was given for the year. So we have our exact amount listed down the bottom. So we owe money because we charged more in insurance. If you hear that weird, strange sound, it's my dog snoring in the background. So we are going to go through, and the first thing we're going to do, as silly as it seems, I follow the records, is we're going to adjust for what's used up. So we're going to turn the prepaid insurance into an expense. So now we have insurance expense, workers' comp, or WC, and we're just going to reverse this for the exact same amount. And then we are going to credit the prepaid insurance, workers' comp, for the same amount, and that wipes it out, so it's no longer an asset as a prepaid insurance. It's now used up. But then we also have to pay this extra amount, and the extra amount we have to figure out is the difference between what we have and what we haven't. So throwing a calculator up on the screen and on me, we have a real premium of $62.52.30, and we already paid $61.76. So we owe them an immediate payment of $76.30. This is no longer a prepaid because we've already incurred the charge, but it's a grace period that they allow us to do. So we need to pay them $76.30 immediately. Insurance expense for workers' comp, again, $76.30, and this is going to become an immediate expense because it's already earned. So we're just paying cash, and we are going to mail them a check for the $76.30 difference. Now, if it was possible that they had a refund, you could do that, and then in that case we would have a credit that we would use for the next period, but our book doesn't do that, and we just touch on this briefly. So when you buy insurance, it's prepaid insurance, workers' comp, pay cash. At the adjustment, we always adjust for what's used. We debit the expense, we credit the asset, it's now gone, and then we are charged an immediate expense. All I ask is that you please don't use prepaid insurance expense as an account. There is no such thing.